Beauty lovers, good day and welcome back to the channel. This is She Organic Skincare, as you all know. So guys, I'm here today again with another effective recipe. This one here is a banger. This recipe is super effective. Yeah, this is another black soap recipe. This recipe is super strong, super effective. Okay, if you don't want to get white, please stay away from this particular recipe. But if you're the type that gives your customers the best whitening product, then this recipe is for you. So guys, let's go straight into the video. The one I have here on my list is a Ghana black soap. You need 5 pieces of your Ghana black soap. Then your white hash soap, also known as Ghana white soap, you need 5 pieces. Then your pink ozone soap, you need 7 pieces of the pink ozone soap. Your Larissa soap, you need 5 pieces. Kojic dip powder, you need 200 grams of your Kojic dip powder. Then skin free milk, you need 4 bottles of your skin free milk. So guys, this soap is a strong whitening soap. If you want to use this soap, make sure you are ready to whiten, because if you are not ready to whiten up your skin, please stay far away from this recipe. So guys, let's move on. You need your snow white powder, 200 grams. Then your 42 hours cleanser, you need 4 bottles of the 42 hours cleanser. This soap is going to clean, or it's going to clear off your dark spots. It's going to clear off your pimples from your face. It's going to clear off dark knuckles from your knuckles, and it's going to clear off your dark feet. This particular product is super strong. Then you also need your dope shampoo, 4 bottles of your dope shampoo. Then 42 hours oil, you need 3 bottles of the 42 hours oil. Then your soap activator, 500 ml of the soap activator oil. Then your carrot oil for moisturizing purpose. This soap is going to moisturize your skin so that it will not dry it up. That is the essence of this carrot oil. 200 ml of your carrot oil. Your shower gel, any whitening shower gel, you can lay your hand out there for soaking the soap. Your nano white soap, you need 5 tablets of your nano white soap. So guys, how do you make this soap? In your bowl, let in all soaps, add in all powders, pour in your shower gel, mix the soap, then leave for 24 hours, add up the rest of the materials, and then use the flame. Please do not forget to use your raw whitening free milk. This is a strong activator. It's going to activate this particular soap so well. I'll be pasting the picture so that you guys will see what I'm talking about. And please patronize your girl, because this product is available for wholesale, it's available for rebranding, it's available. So guys, try and patronize your girl also. And I said skincare raw materials also, in case you want to patronize me. I base in Abuja, I deliver nationwide. So guys, this has come to the end of this particular video. And guys, if you know you're on this channel, you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Chi Organic Skincare. Make yourself part of this family, and I'll be dropping effective, simple recipes. Like I said on my previous video, that you don't need to break the bank to make any product. Just simple materials, you will achieve a strong whitening product. So guys, if you like this kind of video, please do like to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my videos, and give your girl a good thumbs up. So I will see you on my next video. Bye.